see this truck up here on the left. Slow down, people. Slow down. I want to see this truck. Look at all the people in the back. Look at that. It's amazing. Look at that. That's pretty good video, right, Kate? What is that, Kate? From a job, you think? Job site? Or you think it's a taxi of some kind? Truck taxi? Well, you're in a major traffic jam now. The tour bus right there, cars, and no telling what kind of cargo they're carrying. But there are people in the cars that look over, and especially the people in the back of these trucks, they look over at me and I wave and they smile. As you can see up above, that's the maybe a toll road or expressway above. I saw a little girl. In the back of that truck. They probably have 15, 20 people right there.